Hello, my name is Katie, and I did my presentation on CRISPR. According to the Mayo Clinic, CRISPR stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. CRISPR is a new technology where people can edit genes by simply cutting and pasting. CRISPR-Cas9 identifies the targeted piece of DNA with the disease or the trait. Then CRISPR-Cas9 then cuts the targeted piece of DNA out of the sequence. Scientists can then edit the gene using deletion, modification, and addition to the sequence. It is currently being developed still. According to Vox, it has been used in mice for deafness, and in humans for people who are blind, as well as other things. Like it's been used for research in pigs. They're trying to create human organs inside of pigs, since they have pretty similar DNA to humans, and then they can be used in transplants for humans, which is really exciting, as well as cure diseases in humans like cancer that have not been able to be cured before. That is one good thing, but it can be bad as well. It is very worrisome to many people because in the wrong hands it can be used in war for like superhuman soldiers with certain strength, as well as parents can decide to change certain traits in their kids to be the perfect child, and that can change human race as we know it. For base 2, Grand View Research says CRISPR's market will be worth $4.88 billion by 2027, which is only 6 years from now. And in base 3, they can open a medical center that focuses specifically on the use of CRISPR in patients in South Dakota, which is a technology to cure diseases such as cancer, blood disorders, blindness, AIDS, cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, and Huntington's disease for profit. And that information of the diseases came from Labiotech. Or they could also, since we do have lots of livestock in South Dakota, use it for pigs and other animals to grow organs that humans can use for transplants, which is always a need. Thank you for watching.